Hello, fellow yogis. This is Sabina, and welcome to our sacred yoga space. Today, we are going to delve into the beautiful asana, Utkatasana, commonly known as the chair pose. Utkatasana derives from two Sanskrit words, Utkata meaning powerful, fierce, and asana meaning pose. In Utkatasana, we emulate the strength and the stability of a chair, engaging the legs, muscles, and the core. To start, stand in Tadasana, the mountain pose. Your feet about hip distance apart. This is your stable foundation. On the inhalation, reach your arms overhead. Spread your fingers really wide, palms facing each other. Drop your shoulders down away from the ears and really see if you can align the arms to the ears. On the exhalation, slowly bend the knees and drop the hips down as if you were sitting onto an invisible chair behind you. The thighs should be as parallel to the floor as possible and the knees just above the ankle, never extending past your toes. Make your spine really strong, really nice. Scoop your tailbone down to neutralize the lower spine and avoid overarching of the lower back. And to find some strength and stability, engage your core, pulling the navel to spine. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for many breaths. Always make sure that you can see your toes. If you can't, don't worry. You can start your practice by sitting a little bit taller. If you can see your toes instead, you may want to use your exhalations to sit a little bit deeper, a little bit lower onto your chair. On the physical level, Utkatasana strengthens the ankles, thighs, core, and back, while stretching the shoulders and opening up the chest. On the energetic level, it ignites the solar plexus chakra, Manipura, the center of our willpower and determination. Utkatasana is a beautiful pose, balancing both grounding and uplifting, reminding us the symbolism to stay stable through the storms of life. It reminds us to sit confidently onto the invisible chair of trust, embracing both the discomfort and the growth that comes with it. When you need to release the pose, straighten the legs and reach your arms overhead. Exhale, release your arms to the side, returning back to Tadasana. And that, my friend, is Utkatasana. Practice this pose every day to build your strength, stamina, and your confidence on and off the mat. Remember that yoga is a personal journey. Always honor your body's limits. Never force a pose. Over time and practice, your chair pose will become stronger, deeper, and more comfortable. Join me in embracing the fierce power within. For more yoga insights, meditations, and guidance, before you leave, remember to click on the subscribe button to take your daily dose of strength and serenity. Thank you for practicing with me today. Let's take this yoga journey together. Namaste.